Alright campers, today we are fitting a Fiamma F45S 2.6 metre awning onto this van. Now, for vans that have got pop tops, the most professional way and the correct way to fit an awning onto this van is to fit it using the awning rail, namely the Remo rail or a Vamoose rail. We've got our particular set of brackets that we get from Vamoose and then the Fiamma awning as well. So you need to have the Remo rail. The reason for this is because the gutter is no longer usable to be able to fit the brackets. Some people cut the brackets down in half, but to be honest, it's not really a safe way to do this in my opinion. So we always fit it with a Remo rail and then the brackets and then the Fiamma awning on top of them. So what we're going to do today, the customer's already got the Remo rail fitted, so we're just going to attach our brackets. They're going to be bolted into the framework of the van and they're also connected to this Remo rail. After that, we're going to attach the Fiamma awning to those sets of brackets and it's all good to go. So this is quite a quick service if you have already got a Remo rail. It's also a quick service if you don't have a Remo rail, because if you just want to bring your van in, within an hour and a half you can drive away with a full awning rail and the Fiamma fitted by us here at Cosmic.